May nagtanong, paano daw yun? Mag-boyfriend pa lang sila. Kaso, yung love language ng isa ay physical touch.
Magpapasal na kayo, nasa season na ba kayo?
Kasal talaga agad.
Yun na yung solution. Kasi that's the problem. I wanna validate na there are people talaga who feel love kapag hinahag, kapag ginohold yung hands. Meron talaga kasi mga tao that were longing for it since they were child. Like, sa kanya hindi na-provide. So, there are different reasons why naging physical touch yung love language mo. In the church, we shake hand. I mean, siguro pwede yun pag physical touch yung ano niya.
Pwede mo ako shake hand.
Yung ganang problem sa physical touch, it can trigger something.
Kailangan natin maunawaan na yung boyfriend-girlfriend, may kasamang friend. You have the commitment na papunta kayo sa marriage, pero hindi pa kayo married. Yung physical treatment natin, it's more of like friends talaga.
If you want that, you go for marriage. So again, the reason why hindi siya ganun ka-applicable na physical touch in a way na gawin kang sandalan, iyakan. Very pure lang naman yun, di ba? There are people kasi ako honestly, if you ginawa mong sandalan yung balikat ko and nakasubsob ka dito, there's something na matitrigger sa akin. So that's me, ayaw kong i-generalize sa lahat ng lalaki. Pero if her as a girlfriend sa akin nun, nandito ka tapos huminga ka, parang, oh, kahit pagano ka pure yan, na naging sandalan mo lang ako, may matitrigger talaga sa akin. So, yun yung point natin about physical boundaries. It's not about, nasaan yan sa verse, sa Bible. It's about the protection.
If you're a woman na yung love language mo is physical touch, don't demand it yet. Give muna.
If he's there, magkasama kayo sa church, there is opportunity that you eat together, you go to ministry together, you attend church together, yung nakakagala kayo with your tropa together, appreciate the physical presence. You cannot demand something that is for married people.
Ngayon, nag-boyfriend-girlfriend pa lang kayo, remove muna natin sa love language of physical touch. Doon muna tayo sa acts of service, sa gifts, affirmation, yan, sabihin mo maganda. Okay na yan. Yun na lang muna.